66 degrees. Look at that. Look at that sad little pile sitting there at 66 degrees. You're probably wondering, why am I dressed like this at 66 degrees? I'm like in shock. I'm shifting gears now from winter to now I put on my anti-mosquito clothing. It's shocking. Okay, let's take a look in the woods, see what we can find. Here's some evidence of the magic of nature. I don't know if you can see, there's a little spider web glinting in the sun. I'm moving around a little. It's like right about here, not that far away. I can see with the naked eye. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. Can you believe it? One morning, it's not even the afternoon yet. One morning it's 65 degrees and nature roars back with all of its force. Here's my favorite little skunk cabbage. Look at it. Look at it sprouting in all its glory. First sprout. I got these two rocks that I protect it with so I don't damage its delicateness in early spring. Look at all those spider webs glistening in the sun. What a miracle. One little bird. Look at that. Wow, my God. The power of nature. I hear the happy birds, but I can't really see them. I know they're flitting. Oh, wait. There's one. Oh, that's a very happy bird. Let's see if we can get close. God, can you imagine their mood on a spring day like this? Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look, they're flitting. Aren't they cute? Oh my God, what a miracle.